guys, welcome back. It is currently like 4 a.m. in Paris. We just left South Africa and you guys were there for Christmas and for hang on. Okay, I'm back. I think the slide's pretty good. This is my really cute beret, and kind of looks a little bit weird. We are in Paris. I'm so excited. Mom and Dad are here too. There's Dad, there's Mom, and we just came from South Africa for Christmas with the whole family. And yeah, now it's time to have some fun in Paris. The announcements keep going off. Hey, they just switched the lights on. Guys, say hi. Dad, say hi. Say hi, Mom. So we just had a really nice flight. We got to lie down and put our legs under there. So yeah, and now we are in Paris from the boiling heat to the freezing cold. Wish us luck. Whenever I come to France, I get these. These are soft-boiled eggs, and I dip bread in them. It's always so good. Mom, Dad, and David are chatting and just catching up. Hey guys, so we have just arrived in Paris. I'm going to show you around the room. It's so beautiful. This is the bedroom. We have a sauna in here, just around there. Over there. This is me from the airplane. And then we had a nice big bathroom in there. Down these stairs, Mom, Dad, and David are having a chat. And look how beautiful that is. Wow.
This is how bad South Africa is.
People really do not want you coming in their country. Terrorists?
I've just walked outside. Here is the hotel. It's really, really beautiful. Look what is behind me. It's the Eiffel Tower. Wow. Alright, come on. Off to the crazy horse. Alright guys, just to quickly update you, the Crazy Horse is a famous topless show in Paris. Everyone in Paris is always topless, it's pretty normal. So this is, the age limit I think is 6 years old and you're allowed to go to the show. It's going to be really beautiful, these shows always are, so we're all here to watch. We are in the Crazy Horse. Baby, where are we? Crazy Horse!
Booby land.
Say hi guys! Are you ready for showtime? Of course, you're not allowed to film anything at the Crazy Horse, so I don't have any footage. But after the Crazy Horse, we got a really nice dinner. We all chatted, drank champagne, some wine, you know, just the good stuff. Had amazing food, obviously. And yeah, that was basically our night. Here you go.
I don't know how to open it.
Baby, what's in there?
Crap. Yep. That was good.
Good morning guys. I look like absolute dog breakfast this morning, but last night was so much fun. Oh my god, we all went to the Crazy Horse, which was like these like topless women dancing, but it was so pretty and so cool and everyone had such a good time. Then we went walking home, playing Frank Sinatra, singing in the rain, and the Eiffel Tower was there. It was so beautiful. And then went to a nice fancy restaurant. Oh my god, it was so much fun. My mom and dad were like really over the moon. Right now I'm eating breakfast. Look at my breakfast. So I got like 2 soft-boiled eggs, like ham and cheese to dip. Actually I got 4. There we got omelette. We got a whole thing of croissant. Look at these croissant. Sorry, so look at these croissants. They're like so special, so nice. I'm so excited to eat. Yay! It's a beautiful morning. I wish I didn't get copyrighted for everything, so I wouldn't have to sing it, but it's a beautiful morning in Paris. Oh, the steam is coming off the chimneys. And it's just so pretty. There's Mr. Eiffel Tower, or Mrs. I don't know which one. Yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and then it's very chilly out there. I've got like a short sleeve on. Gonna go get dressed and then start the day. Alright, this is the outfit for today. I've got my French beret on, hair's in a long ponytail, and this beautiful bag. I love these. They're so soft, fluffy. Just gonna do a close-up again of my outfit. Look how cute it is, guys. It's like all tucked into my shoes. So yeah, this is the look of the day. And my cupboard is getting really messy. Oh god. I've just like thrown stuff in the bottom there. Anyway, let's head. We are officially in the Louvre. Woo! Alright guys, it is about noon. We are going to look at the Mona Lisa and a few other things in the Louvre. David and I had lunch and met up with Mom and Dad.
Say it. You can say it. Who's the baby? Virgin Mary on one side, Joseph on the other. Who could the baby be?
Is it baby Jesus?
Yes, it's baby Jesus. But why is he ugly? That's what's bothering you. He can't be ugly. He's Jesus. Jesus is ideal, right? He's perfect. He should be fantastic. Well, no. We are at a moment in time where we are suggesting now that God made us in his image. And he made us in his image.
Did you enjoy the Louvre, babe?
Yes.
What did you learn?
I learned about fat women, skinny women, and boobies. And the proper size of them.
We just went for a drive in this thing. How cute is it? The sun is setting and there's this big green obelisk. We are currently in the rain and getting blown away on our way to the Palace of Versailles. This is the courtyard of the Palace of Versailles. Whew. Wow. The Palace of Versailles in the rain. It's not the best idea, but we can't do it any other day. We are currently inside. Here we have the main staircase. This is also in the show Versailles on Netflix. And David and I decided to ditch the tour guide because David doesn't like her. So Mom and Dad are stuck with her and we are just going on our own tour, and David knows everything, so he's my tour guide. Dad! Dad! So where they had a zoo that was just over there. This place is huge! Wow! Getting blown away in the wind and cold and rain. Oh.
It was over there. It
Wait.
doesn't exist anymore.
But where was it? There?
It was exactly, you see the Great Canal
Yeah.
over there on the left.
Oh, so this is where they had the lions and tigers and bears. I'm not scared of the lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of my dad when he's hungry. I'm not scared of the lions and tigers and bears, but I'm scared of dad when he's hungry. Retreat. Everybody leave the Palace of the Wind. What does Palace of Versailles stand for? Palace of the Wind and rain and storm, lions and tigers and bears. Recording now. We have stopped at this really cute little restaurant. Look at this. We are getting some croissants and some coffee.
Cheesecake?
Mom, that's South African rands. It's kind of like sells some meats and some French wines and jams. It's really cute. What's up, guys? It is New Year's today. Tonight we're going to celebrate, and today we're going to walk around, have some fun. Wearing this coat for the first time. I love it. I feel like it's a very different look to what I usually wear, but it's party, so anyway, we're gonna hit the town, do some fun things, and then celebrate New York tonight, and I am super excited. Oh my god, I forgot to film my entire day, but it's okay. We just went to the Arc de Triomphe, so I'll insert a photo. And then we just like walked around and we didn't really do anything interesting. I think I've shown you guys like the best parts. So anyway, it's the last day of 2022 right now. Well, last night, it's nighttime. 2023 is in a few hours. I am in my New Year's dress. Guys, this material is like a dream. It's so shiny and like this whole thing is like embroidered. Look at that. It's really pretty. So I'm like a slime ball. Anyway, I think this outfit is really cool. I'm super excited for tonight. They're gonna be fireworks. It's gonna be so beautiful. I promise I won't forget to record again. Like, I have to remember I'm gonna be drinking too, so yeah, I'm gonna remember, don't worry. We are currently in the lobby. I am with mom and dad. We're waiting next to this beautiful Christmas tree. We are waiting for David, and then we are going to take an Uber to, it's like 30 minutes away, to the show, the Moulin Rouge. Wow. All the fancy dresses are coming out tonight. That is a wrap. We've packed up, we're ready to go. We have tons of bags. My New York bags, my South African bags, my Paris bags, David's bags. Whew. Goodbye, Paris.
Goodbye, Paris.
What's up, guys? We are currently on the airplane. I cannot wait to show you where we are landing, and we are going to